Now that you know what the 5 major affiliate aggregator sites are, let's take action.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
You basically have to sign up for all 5 of them as an affiliate. And it's very easy. You just go through the forms. I'll show you how to do it. If you are on cj.com, formerly Commission Junction, you essentially click You're the Publisher, and you click on this little green arrow, and you go there, and you say you're the publisher, and you sign up, and you just go through the sign up form. Every one of us has done it. I'm not going to walk you through it. It's very simple. Now on Amazon, essentially, you go to the bottom here, and you say become an affiliate. And all the other sites, essentially, they either have a link to become an affiliate or become for publishers is you, so you always click on that. You're the publisher. So, and you just go through the form, and your job is to quickly, as soon as possible, hopefully right now, this is what we really want you to do, is create your accounts on all 5 of these major aggregators, so that very shortly, as soon as possible, you can get approved. And as soon as you get approved, you are going to be able to get affiliate links for specific products to promote. So please sign up as an affiliate on all the 5 affiliate aggregator sites.